Listen up, you lot. Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight, we're ditching the takeout menus and getting back to basics with 10 nutrient-packed dinner recipes that'll make you feel like £1,000,000. That's right, no more greasy, unhealthy rubbish. We're talking about real food, packed with flavor and goodness to fuel your body. We're talking about lean proteins, healthy fats, and enough vitamins and minerals to make a nutritionist weep with joy. These recipes are so delicious, you'll forget they're actually good for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Now, let's get cooking, you friends. First up, we're tackling a dish that's as vibrant as it is healthy. Quinoa and black bean salad. This isn't some sad, soggy salad, no siree. This is a flavor explosion waiting to happen. We're talking fluffy quinoa, hearty black beans, and a zesty lime dressing that'll wake up your taste buds. This salad is a bloody protein powerhouse. Quinoa, my friends, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. And black beans? Don't even get me started. They're packed with fiber and protein, keeping you fuller for longer. Now listen carefully. This recipe is all about the freshness of the ingredients. We're talking juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and fragrant cilantro. And don't you dare skimp on the lime juice. It adds a tangy kick that'll have you coming back for more. Toss everything together and what do you get? A salad that's bursting with flavor and texture. It's the perfect light but satisfying dinner. You can even prep it ahead of time for a quick and easy lunch. So there you have it, a salad that's as delicious as it is good for you. Don't be a lazy sod, give it a go. Next up, we're diving into the ocean for a taste of heaven-grilled salmon with avocado salsa. This dish is bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, those good fats that are essential for brain and heart health. We're starting with a beautiful salmon fillet, skin on for extra flavor. A drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and we're ready to grill. The key here is to get a nice crispy skin while keeping the flesh tender and flaky. But the star of the show? The avocado salsa, of course. This isn't your average bland guacamole. We're talking ripe avocados, juicy tomatoes, red onion for a bit of bite, and a generous squeeze of lime juice. The creamy avocado salsa paired with the smoky grilled salmon is a match made in culinary heaven. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that'll have you licking your plate clean. This dish is not only delicious, it's also incredibly easy to make. You can have it on the table in under 20 minutes, making it perfect for a quick and healthy weeknight dinner. Now, who's ready for a taste of France? This spinach and mushroom quiche is a classic for a reason. It's packed with flavor and nutrients, including a healthy dose of iron from the spinach. We're starting with a buttery, flaky crust that's simply divine. Blind bake it to golden perfection, then fill it with a savory custard made with eggs, cream, and a touch of nutmeg. But the real stars of this show are the spinach and mushrooms. We're sautéing them with garlic and onions until they're soft and fragrant, adding a depth of flavor that'll knock your socks off. Pour the custard over the spinach and mushroom mixture, sprinkle on some cheese, and bake until golden brown. The result? A quiche that's both hearty and elegant, perfect for a weekend brunch or a light dinner. And the best part? This quiche is incredibly versatile. You can customize it with your favorite vegetables or cheeses. Feeling lazy? I've got you covered. This chicken and broccoli stir-fry is the epitome of quick and easy cooking, and it's packed with lean protein from the chicken and vitamins from the broccoli. We're talking tender chicken breast, stir-fried to perfection with crunchy broccoli florets, and a savory sauce that'll have you licking your chopsticks clean. This dish is all about balance, sweet, savory, and a touch of heat. The key to a great stir-fry is all in the prep. Chop your vegetables and chicken into bite-sized pieces, and have your sauce ready to go before you even turn on the stove. That way, everything comes together in a flash. Heat your wok until it's smoking hot, add a drizzle of oil, and stir-fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Then, toss in the broccoli and stir-fry until it's crisp tender. Finally, pour in the sauce and cook until it thickens. Serve this stir-fry over a bed of fluffy rice or noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. It's the perfect weeknight dinner when you're short on time but don't want to sacrifice flavor. Calling all vegans and vegetarians. This vegan lentil soup is for you. It's hearty, flavorful, and packed with plant-based protein and fiber. We're starting with a base of aromatic vegetables, onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. Sauté them until they're softened and fragrant. Then add in the lentils, vegetable broth, and a touch of smoked paprika for depth of flavor. Lentils are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and iron. They're also incredibly affordable and versatile, making them a pantry staple in my kitchen. Simmer the soup until the lentils are tender, then blend a portion of it to create a creamy texture. You can also add in other vegetables like chopped kale or spinach for extra nutrients and flavor. Serve this soup with a crusty bread for dipping, and you've got yourself a hearty and satisfying meal that'll warm you from the inside out. It's the perfect comfort food for a chilly evening. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth with these turkey and quinoa stuffed peppers. This recipe is a fantastic way to sneak in lean protein and low GI quinoa in a fun and flavorful package. We begin by hollowing out colorful bell peppers, creating edible bowls that are just begging to be filled. Meanwhile, we'll prepare a savory filling with ground turkey, cooked quinoa, black beans for extra texture, and a medley of spices that'll transport you straight to Mexico. Don't be shy with the spices. We're talking cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, the works. This dish is all about bold flavors. And don't forget a touch of lime juice to brighten things up. Spoon the flavorful turkey and quinoa mixture into the bell peppers. Top with a sprinkle of cheese if you're feeling indulgent. And bake until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. These stuffed peppers are not only delicious, but also incredibly satisfying. They're packed with protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, making them a well-balanced and nutritious meal. Carb conscious? Fear not. These zucchini noodles with pesto are here to satisfy your pasta cravings without the guilt. Using a spiralizer or a vegetable peeler, transform zucchini into long, delicate noodles. Don't worry if they break a bit. It's all part of the charm. These zucchini noodles, or zoodles as the cool kids call them, provide a fantastic low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. Now, for the star of the show, the pesto. We're talking fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and a generous glug of olive oil, blended together into a vibrant green sauce that's bursting with flavor. Lightly sauté the zucchini noodles until they're just tender, then toss them with the pesto, ensuring every strand is coated in that herby goodness. You can enjoy this dish warm or cold, depending on your preference. This light and refreshing dish is perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. It's packed with nutrients and flavor, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Get ready for a flavor explosion with these baked sweet potatoes with chickpea chili. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, thanks to the vitamin A powerhouse, the sweet potato. Start by piercing sweet potatoes with a fork and baking them until tender. While the sweet potatoes are baking, prepare a hearty and flavorful chickpea chili. Sauté onions, bell peppers, and spices until fragrant, then add in canned diced tomatoes, chickpeas, and vegetable broth. Let the chili simmer away, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. By the time the sweet potatoes are done, the chili will be thick, hearty, and bursting with flavor. Split open the baked sweet potatoes, fluff the flesh with a fork, and generously top with the chickpea chili. This dish is a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach, with the vibrant colors of the chili contrasting beautifully with the bright orange of the sweet potato. It's a satisfying and wholesome meal that will leave you feeling nourished and content. Craving a burrito bowl but watching your calorie intake? These cauliflower rice burrito bowls are the answer. They're packed with flavor and nutrients but won't leave you feeling weighed down. We're swapping out traditional rice for cauliflower rice, a low-calorie and low-carb alternative that's incredibly versatile. Simply pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. Then, sauté the cauliflower rice in a pan with a little oil until it's tender and lightly browned. Now for the fun part, building your burrito bowl. Layer the cauliflower rice with your favorite burrito fillings, such as black beans, salsa, guacamole, shredded lettuce, and your choice of protein. For a vegetarian option, grilled tofu or tempeh work wonders. If you prefer meat, grilled chicken or steak are fantastic additions. The key is to choose lean protein sources to keep the calorie count in check. These burrito bowls are a fantastic way to enjoy a satisfying and flavorful meal without overdoing it on the calories. They're customizable, easy to make, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Don't turn your nose up at Brussels sprouts. These roasted Brussels sprouts with garlic aioli will convert even the biggest skeptic. They're crispy, savory, and packed with fiber and antioxidants. We're roasting the Brussels sprouts to perfection, bringing out their natural sweetness and creating a crispy outer layer. Toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a touch of balsamic vinegar for an extra flavor dimension. Roast them in a hot oven until they're tender on the inside and caramelized on the outside. While the Brussels sprouts are roasting, prepare a simple yet flavorful garlic aioli. Mince garlic and mash it with a mortar and pestle or the back of a knife until it forms a paste. Whisk the garlic paste with mayonnaise, lemon juice, and salt to create a creamy, tangy, and garlicky aioli that's the perfect accompaniment to the roasted Brussels sprouts. This dish is incredibly simple to make but big on flavor. It's a fantastic side dish for any meal and a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. There you have it, you lot. 10 nutrient-packed dinner recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. From protein-packed salads to low-carb delights, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed these healthy dinner recipes. Stay healthy and see you in the next one.